My name is Hamza Zaid, and today the topic of our project is water pollution, and we discuss something about water pollution and their causes and their effects on our daily life, and how can they damage our social life, and they can also damage the human life. So the group members we participate in this project are Hamza Zaid, Shiraz Khan, Abdul Rahman Zaid, Sikandar Azam, Sham Hassan. We are the 5 presenters in this presentation, and the brief introduction of this project is water pollution. As we know that water pollution can cause many diseases in our daily life. That's why we can harm many diseases like poisons, like typhoid, and many other diseases. We should try to avoid this because they can suddenly increase day by day, and we can reduce this kind of activities. That's such like the many factories, they can drain their wastage, and they can control that kind of problems. They should waste their they should waste their can drain their waste in a river, and that can cause many diseases in our marine animals like fishes, and the fish, they can be cause that kind of diseases, and after we can hunting them and we can eat them, so we can get also many kind of diseases from there. So at that time we conduct the interview, and my following presenters, they can come across and brief introduction about this water pollution. Firstly, I will invite Sikandar Azam. He will brief introduction about the water pollution. So please, Sikandar, come on stage.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. How are you?
I'm fine, and what's about you?
I'm doing good. Okay, so what do you know about what can I?
Ready?
Yeah, okay.
Start.
Okay, Sikandar, what do you know about the water pollution? Can you explain?
Hamza, yes, I will explain. I will explain very well, inshallah. First of all, water pollution. Water pollution, when the factories drain their waste water into the river, lakes, or ocean, then the water pollution comes. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. वाटर पोल्यूशन ये होता है कि जब गंदा पानी जो होता है वो फैक्ट्रियों का वेस्ट, वो जब हम उसको ड्रेन करते हैं समुंदर में या दरिया में या जितने भी लैक्स है उसमें जब हम डालते हैं, तो ये इसको हम कहते हैं वाटर पोल्यूशन. वाटर पोल्यूशन के बहुत से नुकसानात हैं, जैसा कि हमारी जो आबी हयात है, मसलन मछलियाँ होती हैं, और जब हम उन फ़िशेज़ को खाते हैं तो उससे जो है वो इंसान भी बीमार होता है. तो ये एक एथिकली बहुत बड़ा इशू है. ये इसको हुकूमत को देखना चाहिए कि वो कैसे इसको कंट्रोल करे. ये हमारे लिए एक बहुत बड़ा मसला है. इसकी वजह से इंसान के अंदर हेपेटाइटिस की बीमारियां जो होती हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा फैल रही हैं. तो बाकी ये है कि इंडस्ट्रियल, जितने बड़े बड़े इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट हैं, उनको भी चाहिए कि वो एक अपनी कोई इस तरह की पॉलिसीज़ इंट्रोड्यूस करवाएं कि वो जो ये अपना जो वेस्ट है, जो फैक्ट्रियों का वेस्ट है, उसको वो इस तरह से ड्रेन करें कि जो पानी को ना नुकसान पहुंचे, और उस वेस्ट को वो फिल्टर करके ताकि आगे उसको फर्दर यूज़ में लाया जा सके.
Okay, so this is Sikandar Azam. He will share their personal opinion regarding about water pollution. So thank you, Sikandar.
Thank you, ji. You most welcome.
Okay, the next presenter is Shiraz Khan, and I will like to invite Shiraz Khan. He will brief introduction about their own opinion regarding about the water pollution, how can they affect on human life on daily basis. So Shiraz Khan, please come on.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. How are you?
I'm fine, good. How are you?
I'm fine. Okay, so tell me about how water pollution can affect human life on daily basis. Can you explain this?
Yes, of course. I will like to say that कि आपको एग्जांपल देना चाहूँगा कि जिस तरह ये इंडस्ट्रीज़ का वेस्टेज ये रिवर और इसी तरह से मतलब है कि ओशंस में जाता है, तो वो डिफरेंट मतलब है कि आबी हयात को वो करता है, डैमेज करता है.
Okay.
सही है. तो इसी तरह जिस तरह एक मछली है, ठीक है, हम उसको हंट करते हैं, तो
ये हमारे
जो मछली होती है ना वो पोल्यूटेड हो जाती है.
Okay.
तो इस तरह जब वो हमारे तक पहुंचती है, तो हम जब उसको खाते हैं तो उसकी वजह से डिफरेंट डिजीज़ होती हैं, जिस तरह के कैंसर हो गया और इसी तरह टाइफाइड वगैरह हो गया। इस तरह से हमें डिफरेंट बीमारियां होती हैं, ये ह्यूमन लाइफ को इफ़ेक्ट करती है। तो एथिकली ये भी एक इशू है कि इसके बारे में भी पॉलिसीज़ होनी चाहिए। दैट्स ऑल।
Okay, this is Shiraz Khan. He will assist regarding about their own opinion about how water can affect on water pollution can affect on their human life on daily basis. So the next presenter is Abdul Rahman Zaid, and he will further assist regarding about how they can affect on environmental health. So can Abdul Rahman, I'm good today. So, can you tell me about your opinion about how water pollution can affect on environmental?
Yes, Hamza, I will tell. As you know, in our world, almost 99% of water is no use. Almost 50% is about frozen and underused. Almost 1% water is in use, and the human beings are almost wasting this 1% water. Our our usual life, in our usual life, we waste water and we harm water, and we put drain and wastage in water. Many daily lives, in backward areas, they put wastage and garbage in water, which is ethically wrong, and industries are also. So government should make policies in which are applicable in our daily lives, so water can be not polluted, as we are seeing in our daily life that everybody is wasting water and polluting water, like they are putting their wrappers after eating chips and like these things. So government should make policies and which are applicable, and on international level there are many policies. We have now in this government, our government make policies like that, and we are making our Pakistan green and putting many trees in our areas, which is very good. But government should make policies for water pollution.
So this is Abdul Rahman Zaid. He will assist regarding about their own opinion regarding about water pollution they can affect on environmental basis. So this is the whole procedure that our presenter should discuss about their own opinion, how water pollution can damage their human life, how it can affect on environmental basis, and what kind of the things that can make an effective cause of water pollution. So the water pollution, this can cause many big issue and in our society, so we can avoid them, and government want to avoid, and they want to make policies how that the people can avoid them. They want to make cleaning in all their areas. They don't want to use wrappers and throw back in their rivers, waters, and avoid them, so we can protect our we can protect this kind of problem, that is water pollution. So thank you for our video, and thanks for watching our personal opinion and thoughts regarding about this water pollution, and promote our video and keep clean the environmental as early as possible.